Hey everybody, this is Canuck Mechanic. This is my first video. I wanted to do a tool deals I recently got, Canadian Tire. Found some awesome stuff, really good prices. So we're going to go through this pretty quickly. First up is the breaker bar, 24-inch. That one there was actually, let's see if we can focus on this. Come on, focus. Right there, 24-inch flex brake bar, $14.99, $15 for that. So next up, this 14-piece Torx and Phillips. That was $15.99. Let's see. This 5-piece. It's the larger set of the bolt and nut removers. Very handy to have around, living in any rust area. That was $27.99 right there. And next up are 2 hex bits. We got metric and standard. I actually got 2 of them. The first time I went by, I found them for $12.49. And the next time I went by, I actually found them for $9.99. So $10, you can't beat it. These are like gear wrench style almost. And I actually got the first set, and the next day I needed the, 5mm for a Toyota. So those come in very handy. $10, you can't beat it. Next up, this 4-piece impact accessory set. So you got a swivel, 2 extensions, and a 1/2" to 3/8 adapter. I got that for, let's see, $19.97. If it'll focus, $19.97. So $20 for that. Not the best deal of the bunch, but if anybody knows how expensive a 1/2" swivel can be, $20 it's not bad. Then I went by these the first time, and the prices weren't that great. This is the standard Torx set. This is the tamper-proof Torx set, 14-piece and 9-piece. This set, I don't have the receipt for these two. It's when I got those for $9.99 the prices went down. Prices went down for these two. I want to say this one was actually $7.99. I think this one was $14 or $12 or something like that. But very nice sets for the price. So yeah, go check out your Canadian Tires. This was all clearance stuff. This one was actually the last one. And yeah, go check it out. It's pretty decent stuff. Alright, catch you later.